Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel.
To do some shopping and buy some food stuff for the house and the things we use for cooking. I've been getting some questions. Some people were asking me the things I was using in the videos. They were asking me where I got them from. Even though that some of them were brought for me from Nigeria, I still buy some here. So I'm going to take you with me to the African store so that you will see for yourself, see what they have there in the store, okay? I hope you are doing fine and you are staying safe. Please continue to self-isolate and social distance, okay? We shall get through this together. So let's go to the African store. So this is the first time I'm going out after a very long time. I've been indoors for over a month now and it feels so good to be outside again. Everywhere is just looking so quiet and lonely. Good. Do you know what happened now? I missed my road. Because it's been long I went to this store, I almost forgot the route to it. So I just took the wrong one, so I'm just going to divert and I'll still link to it, even though I missed it initially. buying the things I went to buy. I didn't really buy much. I just bought plantains and beans and some little stuffs we need in the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just felt I should show you what we have in our African stores. Maybe next time I'm going to make it more detailed, but for now just manage the one I did. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment and to subscribe. Okay.